Alright, so ladies and gents, got the Uber here. Unfortunately today, it's time to do a carrier bearing replacement on the Uber. I guess I explained the reason behind this because normally there's a aluminum drive shaft on this truck. And long story short, I was having some troubles with my drive shaft, so we snatched it out. I had a two-piece built. They used the existing carrier and extended the tail of the drive shaft and some modifications to the front end. Well, this, like I said, is the original carrier here, so I'll show you what some of my symptoms are of why I'm replacing it, and it's pretty straightforward. That is the reason why. So here I am today, removing this drive shaft. I'm going to start with the 4 bolts back here on the yoke, and I'm going to slide off the tail end of the drive shaft off and unbolt the carrier, and then we're going to put the bearing puller on here and pop it off, put the new one in. Stay tuned. Just a little side note, these bolts back here are 11mm. I use my ratchet wrenches, which are great. Perfect. And up forward, I got the boiler up here, using a 17mm ratchet wrenches. Cha-cha, cha-cha. Okay, back these off. And somewhere in the midst of here you should have a hold up. No, it's really kind of hard to actually record one-handedly. It's harder than it seems. And ta-da. I'm trying to get all that grease on my hand. Ta-da. And I'm gonna put that bearing puller on there, and off she goes. Alright, here we are. Finally got the rest of the carrier off. Literally by using a cutoff wheel. Oop. Here we are. Finally got the first piece of the drive shaft off. Literally had to cut the carrier bearing off in order for it to work. Cut it right down the middle, and along with everything else, there's the bearings, all kinds of various pieces, cut in half. Ta-da! Now to clean the shaft off, re-grease it, and install a new one. And get yourself a bigger bearing puller other than an 8-inch, maybe a 9 or a 10. And an impact would be useful, or a ratchet wrench. Huh? Alright, so a little struggling and a little persuasion. We got this carrier on there, nice and snug. Be sure to lube up the shaft while doing so, and the ring also is a little tighter than the carrier itself, so it'll require a pole to get it on there and whatnot. And there we have it, new carrier bearing, and next step is to install it.